In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coming soon page on Card.co. A simple coming soon page is perfect for setting expectations, capturing interest, and giving your brand a polished presence while you finish building the full site. First, log into Card and click New Site. You'll see a gallery of templates. Choose either a blank canvas for full control or a simple landing template to save time. Templates are great if you want a clean layout with spacing and typography already dialed in, while blank is ideal if you prefer to design from scratch. Once your canvas is open, add your main headline, click the plus icon, choose text, and type a clear message like coming soon or something tailored to your launch, such as launching this fall. In the text settings, pick a font that matches your brand's tone, adjust the size so it stands out as the hero element, and select a color with strong contrast against the background. Center alignment usually works best for a single message page, and a slightly increased line height can make the headline feel more refined. If you want to go further, Card Pro unlocks some useful extras. You can add a countdown timer to build anticipation. Just set your launch date, choose the style, and make sure the time zone is correct. You can also add an email sign-up form to collect subscribers before launch, which is perfect for sending updates. Outside of Pro, you can still add social icons to link to your profiles so visitors can follow along. Keep these elements minimal so your headline remains the star. Next, customize the overall design. Add a container and use it as your main section. In the container's background settings, choose a solid color for a clean, modern look, or upload a background image for more personality. If you use an image, set it to cover and consider adding a subtle overlay to keep text readable. Adjust alignment to center everything vertically and horizontally, and tweak padding and spacing so the layout feels balanced. It's a good idea to preview on mobile and make sure text isn't wrapping awkwardly. When you're happy with the design, click Publish. You can use a free card URL right away. Just pick something simple and available, or connect a custom domain if you're on Pro. Publish, test the link, and share it wherever your audience is. That's it. You now have a clean, effective coming soon page on Card that sets the stage for your launch.